In this video, I want to show you how to create hillshade map in ArcGIS Pro. When we talk of hillshade map, a hillshade map is a grayscale representation of terrain that simulates how sunlight interacts with the landscape, emphasizing topographical features such as hills, valleys, and ridges. So by using a digital elevation model, hillshade maps illustrate shadows and highlights created by the angle of sunlight, typically from hypothetical light source positioned at a specific azimuth and altitude. Please take note of these two words, they are very important. By the time we are in the practical, I will show you azimuth and altitude. This visualization enhances the understanding of landform and terrain relief, making it easier to identify features that may not be as apparent in flat maps. Hillshade maps are widely used in geography, urban planning, and environmental studies for analyzing landscapes. So I want to show you how to produce it in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. In ArcGIS Pro, the first thing is to bring in the digital elevation model from where we are going to produce the hillshade map. So to do that, come under Maps and click Add Data. Then navigate to your working folder where you have your data. Here is my digital elevation model. I'll select it and click on OK. Yes, this is my digital elevation model, and from here we are going to produce the hillshade map. And to do that, come to Analysis. Click on Tools to open the geoprocessing window. When you click on it, it will open this geoprocessing. So in this search bar, search for hillshade. And the one we are interested in is hillshade under Spatial Analysis tool. So click here, then here is it, hillshade. Double click to open it. When it opens, we are now under hillshade. Come here, the input raster. Click here and select your digital elevation model. Then the output raster, click here to navigate to your working folder where you want to save the results. So I want to save it here as a hillshade 2. And remember to put .tif. So hillshade2.tif and click on OK. Then here, take note of this azimuth and altitude. You can actually vary the two. So I'm leaving it at default. The azimuth is 315 and the altitude is 45. Then another important thing is the Z factor. You can vary it or leave it at 1. So I'm leaving it at 1. So the azimuth is 315, the altitude is 45, and the Z factor is 1. Then click on Run. This will run and create our hillshade map. Yes, it is created. This is our hillshade map. Let me zoom into a particular point. Yes, you can see the hillshade map. As initially stated, the hillshade map is a grayscale representation of terrain that simulates how sunlight interacts with the landscape, emphasizing topographical features such as hills, valleys, and ridges. You can see it here. This is exactly what hillshade means. So this is how to produce hillshade map from digital elevation model in ArcGIS Pro. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.